exercise deals with understanding what a linear equation is and what is the difference if the equation is asked to be represented as one variable, or if it is asked to be represented as a two variable. That's it. Okay. A linear equation can be represented with one variable. If it is represented as a one variable, it will be shown on a number line. Only when it is represented as two variables, it can be shown as a graph. If it is represented as a single variable, it will be shown as it can be shown on a number line. That you have to understand. For that one, that is the only sole purpose of this exercise. Okay. Just two sums. Let us look at it now. The first equation is y is equal to 3, and they have not given an x variable at all in the equation. So it is very easy. We have to draw a number line and mark 3 on the number line. With that, we have represented it on the number line as the single variable. One variable can be represented again on a number line only, and I have shown y is equal to 3 on the number line. And suppose if they are asking you to represent y is equal to 3 on a graph paper, that is also possible. Here we see that there is no x variable. So when x variable is not there, I am introducing the x variable as 0x. Then even then, if I am representing it on a graph paper, we can see that always the value of x will be the same value and y will take different values, and so the line will be always parallel to the x-axis. This is the line y is equal to 3. It shows that the line will pass through 3 on the y-axis, and so it will be parallel to the x-axis. The second equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0, and now I am bringing the 9 to the right hand side. I want a equation with one variable, right? So always it will be on a number line, and I will find the value of x, and I find it as minus 9 by 2, and it's equal to minus 4.5. When I draw it, represent it on a number line, I can see that the values lies between minus 4 and minus 5. The negative numbers always lie on the left hand side of 0. So it will be on here minus 4.5 here. Then to represent it on with two variables, when it's represented on with two variables, we will be showing it as a graph. So, but in the equation there is no y coordinate. So I am introducing a y coordinate as 0y. When I introduce it and when I draw it on a graph, I can see that the values of x always remains constant, minus 9 by 2 or minus 4.5. But the values of y will change accordingly, and so we can see that the line is parallel to the y-axis and it will pass through minus 4.5. Okay, that's it. This is how we represent the linear equation with single variable and with two variable. When any sum like this is coming, you can see that one of the coordinate will be missing and you will be adding the coordinate in the equation. We will be introducing 0x or 0y. That's it. With that, linear equation with two variable, that lesson is over now.